The paper of DMGT
Yes,
is on.
sorry.
I think it's the last one. In the schedule, the DMGT is the last one, as per I know. It's okay. We'll check later, Bhavdeep. It's fine. Now recording has started. So let us continue with content. In the previous session, we guys were discussing about cut set. Is it? We are in the fifth unit of our syllabus, which is matrix representation of graphs and trees. We had already gone through some of the different types of matrices, incident matrix, adjacency matrix, all that stuff we had already covered now. In the previous session, we had already covered about the cut set. Is it? What we mean by cut set is a set of edges. Removal of that set makes that particular graph disconnected, is it? And there was a condition that no proper subset of that particular cut set is going to act as a new cut set, is it? That is a necessary condition to declare one of the set of edges as a cut set. So that we had already discussed, and we had gone through some of the observation related to cut set. Even one of the important information was that in the observation that every edge of a tree is going to act as a cut set. Tree ki koi bhi edge hai, surely they will act as a cut set, singleton set related to that particular edge. It's surely going to act as a cut set. After that, we had gone for one of the application and some of the examples related to cut set, and today we'll be discussing about the fundamental cut set. What is fundamental cut set? So let's continue with this. All those who are in front of me physically, they are supposed to be on the projector, and rest of you are supposed to be on your screen, whether you are attending this particular from your cell phone or from your laptop. An edge in a spanning tree is known as a branch. An edge of G that is not spanning tree, edge of G, a graph G, which is not a spanning tree, is known as a chord. That's it. कट सेट, अब हम बात करेंगे फंडामेंटल कट सेट की, उसकी क्यों ऊपर ब्रांच और चोर की क्यों बात की, क्योंकि उसकी जरूरत होगी नीचे. A cut set S of the graph connecting exactly one branch of spanning tree of G is called fundamental cut set respect to that particular tree. The important information is that exactly one branch cut set S of graph G containing exactly one branch of spanning tree. Now we guys are good with the spanning tree. What we mean by spanning tree? Spanning tree is actually a kind of subgraph for the graph which includes the entire vertex set of the graph, is it? So surely spanning tree is a kind of connected graph. Now उस स्पानिंग ट्री में से कोई एक ऐसी एज आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे हम कि जिसका रिमूवल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एज divides that graph into two parts, into two components, and such set is known as a fundamental cut set. This is what we had mentioned over there. Go through it once again. A cut set S of graph G containing exactly one branch of the spanning tree of G is called fundamental cut set with respect to T. With respect to T. T is a spanning tree of that particular graph. So sometimes the fundamental cut set is also known as a basic cut set. उसका दूसरा भी नाम है, एक basic cut set भी उसको बोल सकते हैं. But to identify the fundamental cut set, the process will be from the graph we will be looking for its spanning tree. Spanning tree में से ऐसी एक edge identify करेंगे, उस एक edge का हम एक set form करेंगे, and that set will be known as a fundamental cut set. But the condition is that removal of that particular edge from the spanning tree must divide that graph into two components, is it? In other words, it should be disconnected. So let me present some of the example. Consider a spanning tree of the connected graph G. Observe, this is the graph G, this is the graph G, observe. This is the graph G. Now, I had labeled my vertices as V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. Now, जो bold किया हुआ है, देखिए, जो bold किया हुआ है, that is my spanning tree of the graph. That is my spanning tree of the graph. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्पैनिंग ट्री एक ही हो सकती है, इसके अलावा भी हो सकती है। जैसे लेट मी कोई एक और स्पैनिंग ट्री, अभी इसको फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं, पर पहले तो स्पैनिंग ट्री की बात हो रही है। this entire is you are supposed to consider this particular as a graph G. चलिए मैं इसी में कुछ हाईलाइट करता हूँ एंड लेट अस आइडेंटिफाई स्पैनिंग ट्री ऑफ दिस ग्राफ. One of the spanning tree is this. Is it? Is it a spanning tree? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Is it? It is a spanning tree. Spanning tree is actually a kind of subgraph for that graph, जिसमें vertex set same होना चाहिए, same ही vertex set है, सारे vertices मैंने cover हुए, edge set है वो subset होना चाहिए. तो हाँ, सारी एज हमने इंक्लूड नहीं की है, पर कुछ कुछ किए. देखिए बी हमने इंक्लूड की हुई है, सी इंक्लूड की हुई है, ई, ज़ेड, एच एंड के. वी इंक्लूड दिस एजेस ऑफ द एक्चुअल ग्राफ जी. सो यस श्योरली दिस इज गोना एक्ट एज ए सबग्राफ एंड एज वर्टेक्स सेट इज सेम, इट इज अ स्पैनिंग सबग्राफ. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि यही एक स्पैनिंग सबग्राफ है, और भी हो सकते हैं. हमको पता है स्पैनिंग सबग्राफ के बारे में. सपोज आई एम इंक्लूडिंग दिस V1 to V2, then after V2 to V3, V3 to V4, V5 to V4 to V5, and V5 to V6. It is also one of the spanning tree, is it? और भी ले सकते हैं आप, यहां से यहां जाइए, ऊपर जाइए, नीचे, तो भी हो सकता है. काफी सारी अलग अलग ले सकते हैं. पर नाउ सोचिए थोड़ा. नाउ 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 ऊपर वाली डेफिनेशन ठीक से रीड कीजिए. क्या है? Focus on this one, focus on this particular one, this point, and try to identify the fundamental cut set of this particular graph G. कौन बताएगा इसका fundamental cut set क्या हो सकता है? For the fundamental cut set, you need to deal with the spanning tree, identify one of the spanning tree and deal with that in such a way that one branch of, we are supposed to remove, here it is, we are supposed to remove exactly one edge. अब यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है exactly one branch. What does it mean? An edge of spanning tree is known as a branch. हमको पता है कि spanning tree की कोई भी edge है उसको हम branch बोलते हैं. कोई भी edge है, we are used to label that particular as a branch if you are dealing with any of the spanning tree. So removal of one of the branch from that particular spanning tree called the fundamental, where it is, yes, branch of the spanning tree P of G is called the fundamental cut set of that particular graph and with respect to T. Is it? So if you wish to identify a fundamental cut set from this particular graph, तो क्या लगता है क्या होना चाहिए? Can you identify one or two fundamental cut set of this particular graph? Who will help me? Bhavdeep, Pranjul, Rishabh, Mohammed, Raj.
सर ई होना चाहिए.
Sorry.
ई.
E will act as a fundamental cut set, is it? Just observe whether E is your branch. Yes, E is my branch. Why I'm labeling E as a branch? Because E is one of the edge of the spanning tree which I had which I'm using right now. Is it? जो bold की हुई है सारी edges, the bold connection are a spanning tree right now, and E is one of the branch. Now removal of E makes this particular graph disconnected. Even removal of C will make this graph disconnected, is it? Removal of B. Removal of B will make this graph disconnected, yes or no? No.
Yes.
No.
No. Okay. What about removal of H?
Yes, sir.
What about removal of K?
No.
No. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. Called the fundamental cut set with respect to T. With respect to T. With respect to T. Let me take you further. Wait, if you are having confusion. Just go through this. I need to give that particular graph. Wait, let me give the graph over here. V1, V2, V3. Let's do the similar graph over there and it will help you. But कोई बात नहीं. देखिए, consider the cut set DEF. First of all, उसी ग्राफ में तीन वर्टेक्स का नाम, तीन एजेस का नाम याद रखिए, that is D, E and F. In the above graph, G is the branch of G with respect to spanning tree T. And if we are going to take simple cut set DEF of graph G, then the cut set containing only one branch E of T, and the rest of the edges in S are code respect to T. एक ही ऐसी वर्टेक्स, एक ही ऐसी एज इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए उस कट सेट में कि जो कि ब्रांच है, बाकी के सारे क्या है, कॉर्ड. Let me help you. DEF. Okay, wait. I need to move in the previous one. DEF याद रखना, ये वाला कट सेट. Now observe this. DEF. This is one of the cut set. Yes or no? One of the cut set for this particular graph. Cut set क्या है वो हमारे दिमाग में क्लियर है, बिल्कुल ही क्लियर है. Now DEF is a cut set. Now observe, this particular cut set is having 3 edges in it. Is it? Out of this 3, one should be branch, and other should be chords. Is it? So do you think that E is a branch? Yes, because E is an edge of one of the spanning tree which we are considering right now. So this is a branch and rest of both are the chords. So I can say this cut set is fundamental cut set. This is the simplest logic. With the example you may easily get this. Example से ही ज़्यादा clear होगा ये fundamental cut set वाली बात. Is it? क्या ऐसा कोई और एक fundamental cut set दे सकते हैं आप? Identify one other fundamental cut set. Rishabh.
Sir, B, C, H.
Can I say that H comma K is a fundamental cut set? Can I say that H comma K is a fundamental cut set? First of all, H comma K is a cut set. Yes or no? Observe H, observe K.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm dealing with this particular spanning tree, then H and K both are the branches, and my fundamental cut set must include a single branch only. Is it? So no, this is not fundamental cut set. ये cut set तो है पर ये fundamental cut set नहीं है. Yes, Rishabh, you were saying something about कुछ कोई और की बात कर रहे थे आप, बताओ बेटा.
Sir, B होगा एक fundamental cut set.
Yes. क्या होगा?
B.
Singleton set B.
Yes, sir.
Singleton set B.
फिर singleton set C.
सही है. Is it?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, सुन, पहले तो सुन. फंडामेंटल कट सेट जो है ना बेटा, वो कट सेट तो होना ही चाहिए. रिमूवल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मस्ट डिस्कनेक्ट द ग्राफ, मस्ट डिस्कनेक्ट द एंटायर ग्राफ. तो पिछले स्लाइड में जो हम बात कर रहे थे ना, 2-3 लोग ने कुछ अलग अलग कट सेट दिए थे, तब मैंने बोला कि भाई रुक जाओ, एग्जांपल से बात करते हैं, ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. ऑब्जर्व ऋषभ, बी विल नॉट एक्ट एज अ फंडामेंटल कट सेट. तू पहले ये डिसाइड कर, क्या बी है वो कट सेट है? एक सिंपल सी बात है बेटा, हमारे सामने 15 कट सेट है. इफ यू आर हैविंग 15 कट सेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, रिगार्डिंग वन ऑफ द ग्राफ, आउट ऑफ दैट 15 वी आर गोइंग टू लेबल सम ऑफ देम एज अ फंडामेंटल. तो फंडामेंटल कट सेट की जब बात कर रहे हैं तो पहले वो कट सेट तो होना ही चाहिए ऋषभ. Am I good? Am I clear?
Okay, sir.
Is it? So B is not going to act as a even cut set. वो cut set ही नहीं है तो fundamental cut set कैसे होगा? Because if I'm going to remove B from the graph, B is one of the edge, and if I'm removing this particular edge, वो graph disconnect तो हो नहीं रहा. तो ये cut set तो है नहीं. अगर cut set नहीं है तो fundamental cut set तुम बोल ही नहीं सकते. Is it? But सोच ऋषभ. Instead of B, if you are thinking on that, if you are thinking on this, A comma B. Now, removal of A and B will surely disconnect this graph, yes or no? This is one of the cut set. In this cut set, B is my branch and A is chord. Is that? So surely this particular cut set is going to act as a fundamental cut set. इसलिए कुछ हिंट दी हुई है. देखिए यहाँ पे ये हिंट थी, ये भी हिंट थी, ये भी हिंट थी. अब इन 3 को आप ले ले तो उसमें से एक ही है एज जो कि ब्रांच है, बाकी की दोनों कॉर्ड है. अगर इन दोनों को ले लीजिए, इन तीनों को ले लीजिए, देखिए तो एक है एच जो कि ब्रांच होगी, बाकी की दोनों कॉर्ड होंगे. इन तीनों को ले लीजिए both these are code, and this is a branch, is it? So we may list out so many different out of if you're having size हमारे पास 10 cut set है, then we may label 7 or 8 fundamental cut set even. So I'm not giving any of the specific number over there, but now go through this. Surely you will be able to understand this. Let's go through this particular. Surely you will be able to understand what do we mean by the fundamental cut set of a graph. And acknowledge on the chat box once you are good. Once you're good with this, you need to acknowledge on the chat box even. Tushar Shekya is good with that. Rishabh is good. Is it? Hopefully all of you will be good because कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Let me take you further. Fundamental cycle. Fundamental cycle. Consider a spanning tree, similar kind of a concept once again. Consider a spanning tree, T of a connected graph G. Let C be a chord with respect to T. In a spanning tree, suppose C is a chord. And let circuit R made by chord C. उस C को include करती हुई कोई एक circuit, let us label that with R, and the branches B1, B2, B3 up to BK with respect to G, of G with respect to T, sorry. Then R is called the fundamental circuit with respect to T. It's a similar kind of concept once again. Earlier we were dealing with the fundamental cut set. Now similar logic is that with the circuit. जो आप सर्किट आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो उसको स्पानिंग ट्री में ध्यान में रखते हुए एक जो एज है, देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कोड रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. Let's see be a I had used some of the different labeling over there. Let's see be the chord with respect to T and R made by of C. In short that particular circuit R must include C. तो एक ऐसी एज होनी चाहिए जो उसमें इंक्लूड है, बाकी के सारे we are good with that. So ऐसी कोई circuit अगर मिल रही है, then that particular circuit is known as a fundamental circuit. Then that such circuit will be known as a fundamental circuit. As in the graph ABC, just observe ABC. This particular. This is a kind of cycle. Yes or no? Kind of cycle. Is it na ABC?
Yes, sir.
तीन एज को आप मिलाओ तो this is a cycle. DC. Identify DC. Where is D, C, and E? Identify this. The second, let me erase this one first of all. Identify DC. That means this. D, C, and E. Identify this. Then after F, E, H, K. F, E, H, and K. इसको आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. देखिए, सॉरी ऊपर नहीं जाना है, my mistake. And try to identify some of the common characteristic. In तीनों में अब हमने I had already highlighted. Now observe kind of common characteristic of these three cycles. One of the cycle which connects V1, V2, and V3. Other cycle which connects V2, V3, and V4, and the other cycle connects V4, V3, V5, and V6. And connect this definition to them. देखिए एक ही कॉर्ड है, देखिए यहाँ पे एक ही कॉर्ड है, यहाँ पे भी if we talk about this एक ही कॉर्ड है, और here we are having also a single chord. That's it. So if we are having such kind of cycle जिसमें एक ही कॉर्ड है, then that cycle, और तो सर्किट भी बोल सकते हैं, such kind of cycle is known as a fundamental cycle. But we are not that much. ये just मैंने include किया हुआ है syllabus में. That is why I am discussing. We are not having इसके ऊपर कोई ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना है. It is not that much important, so it's fine. Just आपको definition पता होनी चाहिए. Example में you must be good to identify fundamental cycle, fundamental cut set. इसका कोई ज़्यादा use नहीं है आगे जाके. So are we good to move ahead? Mansi, Pema, Pranjul, Tushar, let me know if you are having any query, if you are having any issue. Don't think so. Okay. इसको जाने दे. Now this is important. Connectivity of graph. Connectivity of graph. Now for the connectivity, we are going to discuss 2 points: edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. Now this is important. This is important. Surely कुछ short question या तो फिर एक 4 mark 4 mark का question इस portion में से आ सकता है. पक्का आएगा ही आएगा. Connectivity of graph. Now we are going to discuss 2 points: edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. First, let's try to understand what we mean by edge connectivity of the graph. Each cut set of connected graph G. Now here, when we are discussing a connectivity, it is necessary that all of you are good with the cut set. All of you are good with the cut set. अगर cut set नहीं दिमाग में है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो edge connectivity समझ में नहीं आएगी. Is it? So अगर किसी को अभी भी डाउट है what we mean by cut set, just cut set में क्या इश्यू है, तो क्या कंसेप्ट है, नहीं समझ में नहीं क्लियर है तो बता देना, because if you are not good with the cut set तो ये दोनों बात समझ में नहीं आएगी. Is it? है कोई ऐसा? Am I having any of the person in this particular meeting who is not clear with the cut set? I don't think so. Okay, good. I'm not getting any reply for that, so it's fine. We all are good with the cut set. So each cut set of connected graph G consists of a certain number of edges. We all know that. The number of edges in the smallest cut set is defined as the edge connectivity of the graph. The number of edges in the smallest cut set. अब यहाँ पे in what terms I'm using the word smallest? किस term में मैं बोल रहा हूँ smallest cut set? Smallest cut set, when I'm using that particular word smallest, I'm dealing with the cardinality of that particular set. Cardinality, that means कि एक ऐसा cut set identify कीजिए जिसमें कम से कम edges हो, कम से कम edges हो. As we all are good that we may define 4-5 different cut set for a graph, for a connected graph. तो हो सकता है कोई एक cut set में 4 edges है. In the second cut set we are having 2 edges and we are having one of the isolated vertex. So sure, it might possible that in one of the cut set we are having a single edge. Is it? So the minimum number of edges included in which cut set, that is one. That was a singleton set wali baat. Then the edge connectivity of that graph will be 1. So edge connectivity is equals to number of edges in the cut set, minimum number of edges, or I may use that number of edges in minimum cut set. Is it? So बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसको अगर practically देखें ना, let me give you one of the example. Suppose this is one of the graph. Let me label the vertices, even let me label the edges. A, B, C, D. Suppose these are the 5 vertices in one of the graph G. This is connected. Surely we can understand this is a connected graph. And suppose this is AG1, E2, E3, E4. Is it? चलिए अब इसमें 3-4 कट सेट आप मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करके दीजिए. कट सेट C1. चलिए पहला एक कट सेट आइडेंटिफाई करके कौन देगा? Yes, the person who is in front of me. Yes, Darshan. E1, E4 will surely going to act as a cut set, is it? Because none of the proper subset of this cut set is going to act as a cut set. इसका कोई proper subset नहीं है जो कि खुद cut set बन हो सकता है. So if I'm going to remove E1 and E4, then surely this graph is disconnected. Now, दूसरा कोई एक cut set? Yes, Raj Paliwar, the person who is in front of me. Yes. Sorry. EC. Yeah, what text नाम लग दीजिए. Yeah, this is E5. Suppose this is E5. E4, E5. Yes, is it no? E4, E5 is surely going to act as a cut set because none of the proper subset of this particular set is going to act as a cut set. अगर आप सोचे दूसरा एक cut set, suppose E4, E2 is also one of the cut set. E1, E5 is also a cut set. Yes or no? All these are the cut sets. All these are the cut set. Singleton
Sir,
set.
E3.
Yes, there you are. Singleton set, E3 itself a cut set. तो देखिए यहाँ पे कार्डिनलिटी क्या? इस सेट की कार्डिनलिटी मींस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट इन दैट सेट. यहाँ पे कितनी एजेस है इस सेट में? 2. यहां पे 2 2 2 1, तो मैं बोलूंगा कि इस ग्राफ की एज कनेक्टिविटी 1 है भाई. द एज कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्राफ इज 1. Removal of the single edge, removal of that single edge which connects C to E makes this graph disconnected. So the edge connectivity means a number of edges present in the cut set, and that cut set must be including minimum number of edges. ठीक है, कट सेट तो काफी सारे हैं, पर उसमें से सबसे छोटा वाला कौन सा है वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसमें कितनी एजेस है वो नंबर मानी कि आपकी एज कनेक्टिविटी. सिंपल सी बात है या ना? गुड. So let me erase all of this, and let me and observe that particular sentence. The edge connectivity of tree is always 1. अगर ट्री की बात करें उसकी एज कनेक्टिविटी 1 ही होगी भाई, हाँ या ना? Now let's quickly, मैं नहीं बात करूंगा इसकी, आप देख लीजिए एक बार क्या है वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी. जल्दी से एक बार देखिए क्या है. I'm giving you 2 minutes. All those who are attending this online are supposed to go through this, and I will surely gonna ask one of you. अब बात करूंगा मैं ऑनलाइन वाले बच्चों से, जो भी इसको अटेंड कर रहा है ऑनलाइन, उसमें से किसी एक को पिक करूंगा, एंड he or she is supposed to express this particular vertex connectivity of the graph. पहले एज को रिमूव करने की बात हो रही थी, अब बात हो रही है
वर्टेक्स को रिमूव करेंगे.
यस, वर्टेक्स को रिमूव करेंगे, पर we will be looking for minimum number of vertices which we need to remove to make that particular graph disconnected. अब वो एज के लिए तो हमारे पास एक और कंसेप्ट था कट सेट, तो उसकी हेल्प लेके हम डिफाइन कर रहे थे उसको एज कनेक्टिविटी. बट फॉर द वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी we are simply defining that the minimum number of vertices, removal of that makes that particular graph, the remaining graph, disconnected. Is it? That number is known as a vertex connectivity of the graph. So take care about that. Vertex connectivity, edge connectivity of any of the graph will be a positive integer. वर्टेक्स कोई पूछ रहा है कि ग्राफ की वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी क्या है, तो आप नहीं बोल सकते सर E1 E2, मीनिंगलेस. इज इट ना? vertex connectivity, edge connectivity is always an positive integer, is always an positive integer. वो पॉजिटिव ऐसे भी नहीं बोल सकते 2.5 ढाई एजेस निकाल दो आप यहां से हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. इट विल बी श्योरली अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ओके, so let me give you one of the example. Giving you 5 minutes. All those are in front of me as well as attending this meeting. Giving you 5 minutes. You are supposed to identify some of all that stuff which we had discussed right now. Fundamental circuit इसकी identify कीजिए. Identify the fundamental circuit for this particular graph. Circuit and cycle. Vertex connectivity आपको identify करनी है. You are supposed to identify the vertex connectivity of this graph. Edge connectivity. So this 3 particular tasks. Giving you 4 minutes. अगर ऑनलाइन में किसी को इश्यू है, ऑनलाइन में जो पढ़ रहा है उसको कोई कुछ इश्यू है, then they will raise your hand. I will entertain. पर पहले यहाँ पे सामने जो बच्चे हैं उसके साथ में बात कर रहा हूँ. So take your time. All those who are attending online, take your time. Identify this 3 concept related to this graph. I had provided the graph, and you are supposed to identify vertex connectivity, edge connectivity, fundamental circuit cycle. Okay. Take your time. 3 to 4 minutes I am assigning to you. The edge connectivity of this graph is 2, as well as vertex connectivity is also 2. क्यों क्यों एज कनेक्टिविटी 2 है? कट सेट सारे आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. This is one of the cut set. This is one of the cut set. Observe. This is one of the cut set. Is it? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is also a cut set. This is also a cut set. This is also a cut set. Even this 3 is also a cut set. Is it? अब इन सारों में से एक ऐसा कट सेट आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए जिसमें कम से कम, जिसमें नंबर ऑफ एजेस सबसे कम है. 2, इज इट? मिनिमम इज 2. ऑब्जर्व हियर, 2 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. इज इट? इफ यू गोना इंक्लूड बोथ दिस, इट इज आल्सो 2. सो एज कनेक्टिविटी 2 है. गुड. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी. क्यों वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी 2 है? Suppose if I am going to, let me erase this. Suppose I am going to remove C from the graph, vertex C from the graph. So then graph will look like, if we are removing this C from the graph, then graph will look like this. A, B, D, E. Let me denote them. This is A, B, E, D, and C is over here. See, now be with me. When I'm removing, we guys are good with the removal of edges. कोई एज रिमूव करना है तो बहुत आसानी से रिमूव हो सकता है. बट इफ वी आर रिमूविंग अ वर्टेक्स फ्रॉम द ग्राफ, तो इनडायरेक्टली उस वर्टेक्स के साथ जितनी भी एजेस इंसिडेंट है वो सारी एजेस भी निकलेगी. सो if I'm removing this particular vertex C, तो देखिए C के साथ एडजेसेंट 2 एजेस है. one of the connection C is having with A, other connection C is having with D. If I'm removing this C, तो देखना वो दोनों एजेस भी निकल जाएंगे. Is it? अब C है ही नहीं. Then this graph is this whether this graph is connected or disconnected. क्या लगता है आपको? ये graph connected है, disconnected है? Connected. This is connected graph. Is it? This is connected graph. So चलिए देखते हैं. रुक जाओ. Let me have C over there as it is. चलिए कौन बोलेगा? हाँ राज बोल, कौन सी vertex निकालने? If we are going to remove the B. If we are going to remove the B from this particular, then graph will look like this. क्या लगता है ये connected है, disconnected है? This is connected graph. This is connected graph, is it? So चलिए क्या करूं मैं, कि क्यों मैं बोल रहा हूं कि इस ग्राफ में vertex connectivity 2 है? Why the vertex connectivity is 2? Who will explain me? Wait, let me ask to the Meghna, are you there? Meghna, Bharti. Meghna is not there. Meghna is there. Meghna, am I audible to you? Am I audible to all the online students? Yes or no? क्या मैंने म्यूट तो किया? म्यूट तो है. Yes.
Yes sir, you are audible.
Yes, प्रांजुल, हाँ तू बता दे चल. जैसे भी तेरा लास्ट लेक्चर है, जैसे तू बोल रहा है. Can you explain about the vertex connectivity of this graph? As I said that vertex connectivity is 2, wide is 2. Vertex connectivity is not 1 because removal of any of the edge from this particular graph, वो अभी भी ग्राफ को
सभी वर्टेक्स जितने हैं वो सब 2 एजेस से कनेक्टेड है ना, इसलिए कोई भी एक भी हटाएंगे तो 2 एज पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा.
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है बेटा? What I'm asking, identify 2 vertices of this graph, removal of that 2 must convert this particular connected graph to disconnected. ऐसी दो वर्टेक्स आइडेंटिफाई कर जो इस ग्राफ को कनेक्टेड में से डिस्कनेक्टेड में तब्दील कर दे।
सर पहला तो वर्टेक्स सी, दूसरा वर्टेक्स, एक तो सी रिमूव करने पे डिस्कनेक्टेड हो जाएगा,
सी अकेला सी नो,
हाँ सी रिमूव करने पे डिस्कनेक्टेड।
सी अकेला अगर मैं रिमूव कर रहा हूं तो ऐसा लग रहा है, ऐसा लिख रहा है, देख ये डिस्कनेक्टेड ग्राफ नहीं है, देख दिस इज कनेक्टेड ग्राफ, इज इट? प्रीत, प्रीत, can you unmute yourself, Preet? Preet, Preet, are you there? Preet,
Sir,
Limbani.
I was driving, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
जाने दे। भवदीप, can you unmute yourself?
सर A and D,
A and D, if we are going to remove A and D, तो क्या सिचुएशन होगी? देखो, जब मैं A रिमूव कर रहा हूं ना, then this 3 vertices, these 3 edges will be automatically removed. So let me remove A from here. If I'm going to remove A, अगर मैं यहां से A निकाल रहा हूं, then C will be as it is over there. C will be having connection with D as well as graph will look like this.
Hello,
by
sir.
removal of A.
Yes,
sir,
A और
it
D
will be
दोनों
B-
रिमूव करने के लिए बोला सर।
Sub B and D.
B and
D.
B and D, removal of B and D। पहले तो प्रांजुल वाली बात खत्म करते हैं। प्रांजुल वो सेइंग कि A को हटा दो, A को हटा दिया मैंने, नाउ ग्राफ इज येट कनेक्टेड। अब प्रांजुल बोल रहा है सर D को भी हटा दो। अगर मैं D को हटा दे रहा हूं तो देखिए दिस ग्राफ इज डिस्कनेक्टेड, इज इट? नाउ दिस ग्राफ इज डिस्कनेक्टेड, C भी वहां पे रहेगा and we are having one other component that is BE which is having connection between them. So yes, now this graph is disconnected, now this graph is disconnected. So अगर मैं A और D दोनों को निकाल रहा हूं तो ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड हो रहा है, is it? और अब और एक एग्जांपल जो कि बोला था, किसने बोला अभी? प्रीत ने बोला। हाँ प्रीत, क्या बताया बेटा तूने? A और
Sub Bhavdeep, sub B or D.
yes, let me show that this is D, this is E and this is A. If we are going to remove B as well as D को भी अगर मैं निकाल दूं, then graph will look like this, then graph will look like this. Observe, graph ऐसा दिखेगा, is it? And one can easily identify this graph is having two component. ये ग्राफ दो component में है। एक इसका कंपोनेंट ये वाला है, दिस इज, इसको आप बोल सकते हैं स्मॉल g1, दिस इज g2, is it? Graph is having two component. So yes, the minimum number of vertices which we need to remove from the graph will lead to, that number leads to the vertex connectivity of that graph. So vertex connectivity of this graph is 2. Let me show अगर कोई और example है। Yes, let's try to identify the vertex connectivity of this graph. इस ग्राफ की vertex connectivity identify कीजिए। For this graph, suppose this is a graph G1, this is G2। पहले G1 के बारे में बोलिए, मुझे चाहिए edge connectivity, as well as I am in need of vertex connectivity.
सर वर्टेक्स में तो आप A और F हटा सकते हैं,
पर तुझे before identifying vertex connectivity, you need to be sure removal of that vertex must disconnect the graph.
हाँ, और
A
एज में तो
दोनों हटा
वो A और C वाला एज और C और F वाला एज, वो दो हटा सकता है। That will give us a disconnected one.
So this is one of the cut set, and उससे छोटा वाला cut set नहीं मिलेगा। So number of edges in that particular cut set is 2. So edge connectivity 2 है। vertex connectivity अगर मैं A और F दोनों निकाल रहा हूं,
हाँ,
and the graph will be surely disconnected, is it? So इसकी vertex connectivity भी 2 है। ठीक है, चलो ये अब आपके दिमाग में गया। चलिए, what will be the case for the graph G2? ग्राफ G2 के लिए vertex connectivity क्या होगी, edge connectivity क्या होगी?
दोनों वन।
सर एज में E और D वाला और C और D वाला हम निकाल सकते हैं।
एज में
खाली ए भी निकाल दोगे तो
E और D और C और D वाला एज हम हटा सकते हैं।
लेट मी टॉक टू ऋषभ। यस ऋषभ।
सर ए भी निकाल दोगे तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, तो एज कनेक्टिविटी वन हुई।
Yes, if I'm going to label this particular as E1, this edge as E1, this is a kind of isolated vertex, और आइसोलेटेड वर्टेक्स जिस कनेक्टेड ग्राफ में है उसकी एज कनेक्टिविटी ऑलवेज 1 है, so इसकी एज कनेक्टिविटी तो एक ही है। And now I'm interested to know about the vertex connectivity from the
B and
initial
C.
point.
अच्छा
सर वो भी
वो
सर
भी
वो भी
one।
1 होगी।
कौन सी निकाल दूं, चल बोल।
ए निकाल दोगे तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो
Yes,
जाएगा।
there you are, there you are। इस ग्राफ की एज कनेक्टिविटी प्रांजुल सिर्फ एक ही है बेटा। अगर
हाँ,
मैं ये
वो
निकाल दूं
मिनिमम
ना,
एक हो सकती है, ये सर, राइट।
हाँ हम वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट मिनिमम नंबर, ओके।
ओके ओके ओके।
ऐसे तो 3 वर्टेक्स निकाल दो ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड हो ही जाएगा। So but we are interested when we are identifying a connectivity, whether it is vertex connectivity or edge connectivity, we are interested in the minimum number, okay। So इस ग्राफ के लिए edge connectivity भी एक है, vertex connectivity भी एक है, क्योंकि अगर A निकाल देंगे then this graph will look like this, B will be as it is, C will be as it is, D and E, तो ग्राफ ऐसा दिखेगा। देखिए the graph will look like this, C, D and E and this will be the B। मैंने यहाँ पे जो एक वर्टेक्स A थी वो निकाल दी। अब A अगर निकाल रहा हूं तो उससे जितनी भी एजेस निकल रही है वो सारी निकल जाएगी। सो रिमूवल ऑफ A विल कन्वर्ट द ग्राफ लाइक दिस। तो इसकी एज कनेक्टिविटी भी एक है, वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी भी एक है। Are we good up to this, Dhruvi?
Sir, can we conclude from it that edge connectivity and vertex connectivity of a graph will be always same?
That was a question which I am going to throw towards you. You guys are supposed to identify कि क्या ऐसा है? Is it kind of result we are having? We must have that the edge connectivity and vertex connectivity of any graph will always be same. क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? That is one of the question that will be a kind of homework you guys will be identifying with some of the different examples। तो वो आप मुझे बताएंगे जब हम वहां से हमारा नेक्स्ट सेशन स्टार्ट होगा कि क्या वर्टेक्स कनेक्टिविटी एज कनेक्टिविटी सेम ही होती है हर बार, जरूरी है
नहीं सर,
नहीं
नहीं
है?
होगी।
नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई एक ने कंक्लूड कर भी दिया, पर we'll be discussing in the next section from that particular part only, okay। And all those one of the batch will have the lab of DNGT today, is it?
सर सी बैच।
Yes, C batch। So with the C batch, we guys will be discussing assignment related to this particular। ये fifth unit के लिए हम आज assignment करेंगे, ठीक है? So thank you very much. You guys may leave the session. Let me stop the recording. It's already 9:57.